Okay, today we have a completely PC-free method where we'll explain step by step how to recover your device. If it has a screen lock and you've forgotten your Gmail account. As you can see, we formatted our device, and after it restarted, it was left with this little padlock in the upper left corner. It's still locked, and we've forgotten our Gmail account. The first thing we're going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin this recovery process. We'll click Accept and Continue, and this will take us to the section that shows the screen lock. We started with the one we forgot. Then we formatted it. After formatting, we're now connected to a Wi-Fi network, and it will ask for the same lock and our Google account. For those who regularly watch our video tutorials, in the video description and the first pinned comment, we have other completely different methods, a PC method and a PC-free method. Those who want to try other methods will go to the video description and the first pinned comment, where they'll find all those methods. As you can see here, we'll click where it says Do and copy, and then it will take us to this section. Here, we'll see the lock. It will indicate where it says Use my Google account. We'll click here where it says Use my Google account, and then it will ask for the Google account. For those who know the Google account, they can add it here. Click Next. Then enter that password, and it will give you access to recover it, or if you don't know the password, you can add the phone number that was on that device with that Google account. You can add that phone number, you'll receive a verification code, enter it, and from there you'll be able to recover it. To recover it, if you don't know anything about that, you're going to click here where it says Forget Gmail, and you're going to write this here. You write this, then you write it here too, and then here again. Having said all that, then we're going to click here on Next, Next. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. When those 30 seconds are up, we're going to go back. What we're doing here will help us enable the next function that we'll be using on this device. Later, it will help us enable that function. You know, we're going to keep clicking while those 30 seconds are up. Then what we're going to do now is go back. We're going to click back, click back, click back, click back. Then we're going to click back once here. We click forward. Now we're going to get here. We click where it says Motorola Privacy Policy, and we click the last option. Then we click here on this last option that says Motorola.com support. We're going to select this profile that appears here. We're going to select Google. We're going to click here where it says Help, and we select Help, being here. Now we're going to get to this section, we're going to click on these letters and the magnifying glass. We're going to click on the letter, the magnifying glass, letter, magnifying glass, letter, magnifying glass, and this option will be selected. After it's selected, we're going to click here where it says Share. After we click on Share, we're going to select Message. Next, here's the message, a new message. Let's write the message. We select the number we wrote. Then we're going to click here on the little cross. Next, we're going to select the camera. We're going to take a picture. We give it all the permissions. We select the image. We select the image, comma. We're going to click here on share. We're going to search here. Google Maps. Here Google Maps appears. Here Google Maps appears. We're going to select that Google Maps. Now we're going to click here where it says skip. All the permissions here, we're going to click here. We click on cancel, we click the X, we say yes, and then it would take us to the section where Google Maps appears. After having done all that, we're going to click on this little circle that appears here. We're going to click here on settings, then we're going to select notifications. We enable all these notifications, we give all these permissions. We go back, we enter notifications again and it's enabled. We go back, we click here where it says location, we're going to click here on OK. Then we go to accessibility settings, enable these settings. Go back and then click where it says Google location settings here. Then we're going to click here where it says all. This option that we're pointing to here, then we click the 3 dots. We click here on show system, here we see this magnifying glass that appears here. We're going to select it, then we're going to select accessibility. We're going to wait about 3 seconds, then we delete letter by letter, here it appears. We select accessibility. Then we go to this accessibility menu and we're going to enable it. It's fully enabled, done, now we go back. Back and back, delete everything here. Then we're going to type battery. Then when we're in battery we select this option that says app battery usage. Then we select this option that is automatically highlighted. Then we're going to scroll up and we're going to look for this option that appears here, Google Play Services, and then we're going to disable these Google Play Services. Then these Google Play Services are. Since it's disabled, we're going to do the following. We're going to restart our phone. We restart it and then wait for it to completely reboot. Once it's fully rebooted, we'll complete the recovery process. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss anything and can solve this recovery. As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, in the video description, and the first pinned comment, we have other completely different methods. A method without a PC and a method with a PC. We'll wait until it reboots. Once it's rebooted, we'll go to the next section. We'll go back in. Click here where it says, continue offline, then click, accept, and then click here. You don't need to have any PIN entered on your phone to get to this point. Then we go back again, tap the 3 dots. Tap, accessibility. Tap the magnifying glass, type battery. Wait about 3 seconds, and then tap here where it says, app battery usage. We select the option that is marked for us. And then we are going to look here for Google Play Services. Now we click on enable, we go back. Back and back and back, now we click here to continue offline. Without having any SIM card inserted in the phone. We click here on all Google services, we click here on skip. What I want to tell you now that we are going to fully recover our device. I recommend to eliminate all the errors that remain on our phone. We are going to do the following. We are going to go to settings about phone and we are going to reset it.